polymers are prepared for shaping. Clean handling protects material integrity.
Structural components start as solid blocks.
Metals provide strength and conductivity. Precision begins at the source. Separate elements move toward one process. Preparation leads into refinement.
After preparation, raw materials must be safely transported to the main facility to begin processing, ensuring every component is ready for production.
Each shipment is verified before entering production.
Heavy materials are carefully loaded onto transport vehicles, protecting both the product and the workers handling them.
Loading docks are designed to allow smooth and controlled transfer of heavy industrial materials.
Correct loading prevents shifting, damage, and material loss during transportation within the facility. Once secured, materials are transported along predefined routes to maintain safety and efficiency.
Clear routing and supervision reduce risks and ensure smooth material flow across the facility. Arrival at the receiving bay marks the transition from transport to internal factory handling. Materials are moved carefully to prevent contamination and maintain production readiness.
Digital tracking ensures full traceability of every material entering the manufacturing process.
Conveyors replace vehicles as materials transition into continuous production flow.
Transport concludes as materials arrive at the first stage of factory refinement. As materials advance, the factory exterior becomes the next controlled transition point in production.
The factory exterior is designed to manage high volumes of materials efficiently and safely.
Coordinated entry prevents congestion and maintains a steady production rhythm.
Exterior checkpoints confirm readiness before materials enter the core facility. Visual inspection helps detect damage before production begins.
Improved materials transition from the exterior into the controlled manufacturing environment. Environmental controls protect materials from contamination and moisture. Real-time monitoring ensures smooth coordination between departments.
Entry systems guide materials directly toward their next operational stage.
With entry complete, materials are ready for cleaning and sorting.
Initial cleaning removes surface dust and debris before any material is processed further inside the factory. Pressurized air systems safely remove loose particles without damaging sensitive raw materials. Mechanical brushing cleans metal surfaces while preserving precise dimensions.
Screening systems ensure polymers remain uniform and contamination-free. Controlled cleaning prepares metal components for accurate inspection.
Sensors verify specifications before materials are separated by type and grade.
Automated sorting keeps each material stream organized and efficient.
Human oversight adds an extra layer of quality assurance at this stage.
Once sorted, materials are prepared to enter core processing operations.
Cleaning and sorting complete, materials are now ready for core manufacturing.
Core processing begins as each material reaches dedicated machines designed for precise industrial handling.
Silica is transformed under controlled heat to prepare it for electronic-grade applications.
Gradual cooling stabilizes material structure before further shaping.
CNC machining forms the structural foundation of camera housings.
Copper wiring is shaped to deliver reliable electrical performance.
Injection molding produces consistent plastic components at scale.
Trimming ensures each part meet dimensional standards.
Processed components converge for coordinated assembly preparation.
Manual checks verify machine accuracy before assembly begins.
Core processing ends as components advance toward full product transformation.
The main transformation stage begins as individual components enter structured assembly flow.
Internal frames are installed to support sensitive electronic components securely. Electronic boards are positioned to ensure accurate power and data flow. Controlled fastening locks electronics into place without damaging components.
Image sensors are installed with micron-level alignment for visual accuracy.
Optical assemblies are completed to capture clear and consistent images.
Protective casings are applied to shield internal systems from the environment. Sealing protects devices against dust and moisture intrusion. Final visual checks confirm proper assembly before activation.
Transformation concludes as assembled devices prepare for automated processing.
High-tech automation begins as assembled devices enter synchronized industrial systems for precise processing. Automated diagnostics verify electrical pathways and internal system stability.
Firmware is installed to control communication, security, and device intelligence. Automated calibration ensures accurate focus and image consistency.
Wireless systems are tested to ensure reliable smart home connectivity.
Wireless systems are tested to ensure reliable smart home connectivity.
Automated labeling assigns identity and traceability to every device.
Sensor response is verified through controlled environmental simulation.
Automation concludes as devices are prepared for detailed finishing operations.
Human oversight ensures automated systems maintain consistent production standards. Automation hands off to precision finishing for final refinement.
Precision finishing begins as devices enter the final refinement line for detailed surface work.
Surface polishing improves durability and prepares housings for protective finishes.
Protective coatings are applied to resist wear and environmental exposure. Controlled curing bonds protective layers securely to each device.
Final exterior components are added to complete the physical form.
Permanent markings provide identification and compliance information.
Optical surfaces are cleaned to ensure unobstructed image capture.
Visual inspection confirms finish consistency and cosmetic quality. Human touch verifies alignment and structural integrity. Precision finishing concludes as devices move into formal quality testing.
Quality control begins as finished devices enter the laboratory for structured performance testing. Electrical testing confirms safe and stable power behavior.
Optical testing measures image clarity, color accuracy, and focus precision.
Sensor testing verifies accurate detection and response timing. Audio systems are tested for clear communication and sound balance. Environmental testing ensures reliability under real-world conditions.
Data review confirms every device meets performance requirements.
Certified devices are cleared for final packaging and distribution.
Random audits provide additional assurance of internal build quality.
Random audits provide additional assurance of internal build quality.
Quality testing concludes as products move toward packaging and distribution.
The final phase begins as finished devices enter the packaging and distribution process.
Protective inserts secure each device for safe transport and handling.
Essential accessories and documentation are included to complete each product package.
Boxes are sealed to protect contents throughout shipping and storage.
Labels provide tracking, identification, and delivery information.
Palletizing organizes products for efficient storage and transport.
Protective wrapping stabilizes pallets during handling and shipment.
Finished products are stored temporarily before dispatch.
Products are dispatched to distribution networks worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce smart home security cameras from start to finish.